Guys, check out this robot litter box that was gifted to me. This thing is absolutely amazing. If you have 2 or more cats, this is the absolute perfect size for you. There's tons of robot litter boxes to choose from, and some of them can be pretty small. This one is a larger size. So like I said, 2 or more, this is the size that you want to get. And this also comes with an app. So all of the functions that are on here, you can control from your app and get stats and all kinds of information. So let's go ahead and start going over everything on here. So on the inside here, we have our litter tray. Now there's a rubberized silicone mat that's in there for a leak protection. So everything's gonna stay inside, and that mat also does come out to help you clean everything and keep it nice, clean, and sanitized. Inside here, you can see this little plastic bin right here. So this is gonna be our dumping bin. So when we want to get rid of all of the litter that's in there, this is when we want to put that in, and that's going to make all of the litter dump back out. And I'm going to show you how that works as well. But when you put fresh new litter in there, this is the grate that you want in. This is going to keep the fresh litter in there and hold the clumps and make sure the clumps get dumped back here in the waste bin back here, and I'll show you all that as well. And then you also have this nice little foam mat right here. This is actually foam. It's nice and comfortable, so when the cats are going in and out, sometimes they have some litter on their paws, it's going to collect it right here. This is really nice, lightweight, easy to clean. So let's go ahead and go through some of the functions. I'm going to break it all down too, so you can see how it all cleans. Right here on the front, this little sweep button right here. So this is going to be our clean or empty button. And if you also hold it, it's going to set up your Wi-Fi. So when you want to set up the app, that's where you're going to do it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click it once, and we're going to watch it rotate. So right now, as it rotates, all of that clean litter is going to go through that grate. You can see that opening there. That opening there is where it's going to dump all of the clumped litter back in that tray back there. So it's going to go all the way back, and once it reaches back there, it's going to funnel all the way into that little trash can, and then it's going to come back and it's going to settle out the remaining litter to make sure it's nice and even. And that's also what our second button is going to do. So once you do put fresh litter in there, you hit this button and it's going to rotate it to smooth out the litter for you. You don't have to do that yourself anymore. Let's go ahead and let it finish rotating. So it's going to level it out. So you can see how it's swinging back up, and it's not going to go all the way back this time because it's just leveling out the litter. And then once it stops, I will show you the little bin that everything is going to go into. So there we go. It should stop now. All right. So after we've done that, it's going to empty into this tray back here. So I'm going to actually unplug this so I can turn it around because I want to show you the back side so you can see it easier. So you can see this little yellow tab here. I'm going to pull this yellow tab, and then this whole thing is going to open up. So I should have turned it sideways so you can see it easier. All right, so that whole thing is going to open up, and then we have this yellow trash tray in there, and they do give you liners as well. That comes with it. So you put your liner here in this little trash can, pull the liner out, and then here on the side, you can actually put a little air freshener in it. So this will pop out like that. And then they do give you some air fresheners to throw in there, which is really cool. And then after we've emptied that, we're just going to slide it back in there and close it up just like that, and then we are ready to go again. All of this is basically a large drum on rollers. This right here comes off very easily so that you can clean this whole unit. And then on this side, there we go. So this is what's locking it into place. You grab this, lift up, and now it has opened up, and we can lift this up and out so we can clean everything. So you can see here on the base, you can see those rollers that's rolling the drum, and all of our gears here on this. Lift this up, put it back into place, lock it down, and this is basically just a cover, and then slide our cover back on, plug it in, and then you're all good to go again. If you are in the market for a robot litter box, I would definitely recommend this one, especially if you have a large family of cats. This one is the most ideal, so definitely go pick one up.